Prepare for an epic showdown where the world's most formidable creatures collide in a battle of scale, strength, and survival. This is not a fight of tooth and claw, but a breathtaking clash of adaptations that reveals the true titans of our planet. On one side, we have the ocean's leviathans, the great white shark, a silent torpedo of power, and the giant squid. Cats are born hunters with sharp claws, quick reflexes, and excellent night vision. Even well-fed pet cats still love to chase toys, bugs, or shadows. It's in their nature. Cats can see in light 6 times dimmer than humans can. Their eyes have a special layer called the tapetum lucidum. Seals can sleep underwater. They shut down half their brain at a time. One half rests, while the other keeps them alert to breathe and avoid danger. Seal pups are born with fluffy white fur, which helps them stay warm until they grow their adult coat. Seals are marine mammals, which means they breathe air, Geese belong to the Anatidae family, which also includes ducks and swans. Most geese are medium to large waterfowl with long necks and webbed feet. Geese are mostly herbivores, eating grass, grains, roots, and aquatic plants. Wild geese can live up to 15 to 25 years and sometimes longer in captivity. Lobsters are crustaceans, just like crabs and shrimp. They live on the ocean floor and crawl around using their strong legs. Lobsters have 2 main claws. One is the crusher, for breaking shells, and the other is the pincher, for cutting and tearing. Lobsters have an incredible sense of smell and taste. Bears live in forests, mountains, tundras, and even icy Arctic regions. Bears are mammals and belong to the family Ursidae. Bears have strong bodies, thick fur, and powerful claws for digging and climbing. Bears have an excellent sense of smell, which is 7 times stronger than a bloodhound's. Crabs are omnivores, eating algae, plants, worms, fish, and even dead animals. They are the ocean's cleaners. Crabs have been around for more than 200 million years, surviving since the time of the dinosaurs. Crabs help ocean ecosystems by cleaning up dead material and keeping food chains balanced. Moose thrive in cold climates thanks to a thick, insulating coat. They are so well adapted that scientists have found they don't even begin to feel the cold until temperatures drop far below 0. Moose often feed on aquatic plants. They can close their nostrils, which acts like a valve to keep water out while they graze underwater. Hammerhead shark is one of the most easily recognizable creatures in the ocean due to its unique head shape, which is called a cephalofoil. Hammerhead's head is covered in special jelly-filled pores called the ampullae of Lorenzini. Hammerhead sharks are highly social, especially during the day. the great hammerhead, scalloped hammerhead, pandas eat almost nothing but bamboo. It makes up about 99% of their diet. They can eat for up to 14 hours a day, munching on bamboo leaves, shoots, and stems. Pandas belong to the bear family, Ursidae, and are technically carnivores, but they mostly eat plants. Sometimes they eat small animals, eggs, or insects for extra protein. Hamsters are small mammals that belong to the rodent family, just like mice and squirrels. That's why your hamster might be running on its wheel when everyone else is asleep. Hamsters' teeth never stop growing, so they need to chew on wood, cardboard, or special chew toys to keep them short. Hamsters are omnivores. They eat grains, Camels are known as the ships of the desert because they travel easily across sand. A camel's hump stores fat, not water. It's used for energy when food is scarce. Camels can drink up to 40 gallons, 150 liters of water in one go. Camels have special blood cells that allow them to handle dehydration better than most animals. Pangolins are the world's only mammals that are completely covered in scales made of keratin, the same material found in human fingernails. Pangolins don't have teeth. Instead, they grind food in their stomachs using small stones and sand. Most pangolins are nocturnal and have poor eyesight, relying on smell and hearing to navigate and find food. Pangolins are found in Asia and Africa, living in forests, savannas, and grasslands. Polar bear is the largest bear species and the largest land carnivore on Earth. A large male can weigh as much as 10 grown men. Polar bear can consume over 100 pounds, 45 kilograms of blubber in one sitting. Polar bears are listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List. Their greatest threat is climate change. Turtle is a reptile characterized by its bony or cartilaginous shell. This shell acts as a protective shield for its body. Turtles have been on Earth for an incredibly long time. They first evolved over 200 million years ago. Turtles are omnivores. What a turtle eats depends entirely on its species and habitat. Mysterious behemoth of the deep. They are the sea monsters of legend, ruling a vast, watery realm with unparalleled prowess. Rising from the land, the challengers approach.